In this video, I'll be doing a comparison between two low-cost Kiwisaver providers, Simplicity and Superlife. I'll be comparing the two in terms of fees, the range of funds that they have on offer, and who they are most suited for. So stick around for that. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hank and on this channel we'll be talking about money and personal finance. If this type of content might be useful to you, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's get it started. Let's start with going over what Kiwisaver is. Kiwisaver is a government-supported work-based savings scheme to help with long-term savings for retirement. You can choose to contribute a percentage of your wages, and then your employer would also contribute a percentage as well, plus the government contribution. The money gets pulled together and put into a Kiwisaver scheme from your Kiwisaver provider. They then invest this money on your behalf until you can access the money at age 65, or when you are buying your first home, or under certain circumstances if you are under financial hardship. Now let's take a look at the Kiwisaver providers Simplicity and Superlife. First off, we have Simplicity. Simplicity was formed in 2016. They are a non-profit Kiwisaver provider that promises to make investing simple and return its profits to its members. Currently, they have more than 1 billion New Zealand dollars under their management. They invest mainly in low-fee index funds as opposed to having active fund managers like many other Kiwisaver providers. This is a great thing because index funds tend to outperform actively managed funds over the long term. They are also a socially responsible Kiwisaver provider in that they don't invest in casinos, tobacco, alcohol, or weapons companies. They also donate 15% of their management fees to charity. Let's have a look at the fee structure for Simplicity. Currently, they charge 0.31% fees on their Kiwisaver scheme, plus a $30 annual fee. This is significantly lower than many of the big Kiwisaver providers, such as ANZ or Westpac, that charge anywhere between 1 to 2% fees. For a $10,000 Kiwisaver account, you'll be paying $31 for your Kiwisaver scheme, plus $30 account fee, which equals to $61 per year for your account. The Superlife Kiwisaver provider offers a massive range of 38 different schemes for their Kiwisaver scheme. The majority of the schemes that they have on offer invest in Smart Shares index funds. Each Superlife Kiwisaver scheme has their own fees, which ranges from 0.5% to 0.75%, plus a $30 annual fee. This fee is lower than many of the big Kiwisaver providers such as ANZ and Westpac, but higher than the Simplicity fees. If we take the median of the fees at around 0.6%, for a $10,000 Kiwisaver account, you will be paying $60 plus $30 annual fee, which is $90 per year for your account. Simplicity has 4 types of Kiwisaver schemes. The conservative scheme has 22% in shares and 78% in fixed interest investment. It is the safest, simplest scheme with the lowest return. The balanced scheme has 56% in shares and it has higher return than the conservative scheme, but also higher risk. The growth scheme has 78% in shares, and it is the highest return scheme for simplicity. This scheme also invests parts of its funds into private New Zealand startups. The fourth scheme from Simplicity is called the Guaranteed Income. It invests 45% in shares and 55% in fixed interest. It is a specialized scheme that pays you 5% of the amount that you invested at age 65 for the rest of your life. Income is paid from your returns and capital if necessary, even if your original investment runs out. This scheme has an insurance premium of 1.3% on top of the standard management fee. If you have $100,000 invested in your account at age 65, you'll be getting a minimum of $5,000 per year, or around $192 per fortnight. From the calculator on the Simplicity website, you will most likely run out of your initial investment around age 93. If you live past the age of 93, you'll still be able to get the same payment every single year, even though your investment has run out. Superlife has 4 different categories of fund. The first one is called the Age Step Fund. This is a specialized fund in which Superlife will change the mix of shares and fixed interest to a predetermined allocation depending on your age. The second category is called the Ethical Fund. This is a balanced fund that invests in socially responsible companies, which excludes gambling, alcohol, tobacco, and weapons companies. It also invests 100% in Australasian equities. The third category is the diversified funds. There are 5 different types of funds in this category, which range from the low-risk, fixed interest focused funds to high-risk, high-growth fund. The fourth category are the sector funds. There are a total of 31 different sector funds covering a wide range of sectors, including cash, bonds, properties, natural resources, large companies, and international shares. Simplicity has one of the lowest fees out of all the Kiwisaver providers at 0.31% and $30 annual fee. According to a June 2019 Morningstar report, the 4 Kiwisaver schemes from Simplicity have all ranked either first or second in terms of returns when compared to other Kiwisaver schemes. Simplicity is best for long-term Kiwisaver participants who are looking for a low-fee Kiwisaver provider that invests in low-fee index funds. The main downside is that they do not have a customer office, so all communication needs to be done online or over the phone. It is also not suitable for aggressive Kiwisaver participants who wishes to pick a particular sector that they wishes to invest in. Superlife has an absolutely massive range of funds to choose from, and it is best for Kiwisaver participants who wishes to put their investments in a particular sector. The Age Step Fund can be good for people who want their fund distribution change automatically depending on their age. The main con of Superlife is that it has higher fees than Simplicity, and also it has quite different results from all the different funds that they have. So be sure to check out their website for past performances. But also remember, past performance does not indicate future success. If you are looking for a low fees, no hassle, well diversified Kiwisaver provider, go with Simplicity. On the other hand, If you are looking to customize your Kiwisaver investments to try squeeze out the maximum amount of profits, go with Superlife. I hope this video has provided you with some useful information on the two Kiwisaver providers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.